Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you hit that follow button to see more looks. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more looks. Hope you guys enjoy this look. This is a tie-dye vibes kind of pastel. I wanted to try out my Illuminati palette, but the colors were more pastel than I thought. So next time I think I'm gonna use my sticky base versus my white base and see if the color payoff is what I want, because I ended up having to use a different palette to get more payoff. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you in the next one. So just taking my BH Cosmetics True Complexion concealer and blending that onto my lid with a brush, and then I'm going to take a beauty blender to furthermore blend it in. And to set it with setting powder. Colors are not shimmery at all. Next time I'm going to use my NYX Proof It Waterproof Primer and see if it'd be more vibrant and more visible. But I like these colors, I just wanted the payout to be more, you know? So I'm going to go into this Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette and use the same colors, green, blue, and orange. Get my crease off camera. I got this liner in my BoxyCharm box, so I'm just going to do a wing liner for you guys. I also got these lashes in the BoxyCharm box as well. And now I'm going to use my NYX Kiss Lash Adhesive Glue, and I'm going to put that on my lid on top of my wing using a different brush because I don't want to get my applicator with black on it. And I'm going to pat on the glitter from the Illuminati palette to give this look a little bit more something something. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the completed look. Stay tuned for my next video, which would be me showing you how I do my brows now. I went back to a pencil because my hairs are sparse on the left brow. And I'm also trying out a tinted moisturizer. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys so much and be safe, everybody. Thank you for watching.